How's it going, everyone? Today's video is what is this? November? No, not November. What the hell month am I in? Uh, February 1st. Uh, Today is the kickoff to the small scale model car group build that Mr. BG, Brian, and I have come up with. And this video will just be a new updated list because, man, this is a big turnout. We have a super big turnout for this group build. I never would have thought, BG never would have thought. Man, it's just unbelievable. We'll definitely be doing this every year. And y'all remember, this is the car that I'm going to be building right here. This is a vintage pyro kit from like 1966. It is a 132 scale 1935 Duesenberg SSJ Roadster, and I will be doing Gary Cooper's car. Alright, yeah, some of y'all don't remember him because, you know, that's old actor stuff right there from the 30s and 40s and stuff like that. Charlie Mack will remember him though. Okay. With that being said, I'm going to read this list off to my best that I can with my Arkansas redneck education here. Some of these names I'm not too for sure on. Mr. BG had given me a list, and then I snapshotted pictures of this, so I'll just leave it in the video here. And if your name's not on here, or if I spelt it wrong or did it wrong, contact me. My Gmail's in the description below. I'll always put it in there, or comment on this video or whatever, you know, guys. I try not to be stupid, but sometimes I am. Alright, first of all, we got, and you can see this is a big old list. I've got 67 names on here. 67. And if you're not in, you can still jump in. You got till the end of this month. It starts today. By the time you see this video, it'll be tonight. But alright, I got Brian, Mr. BG, Jeff from Treeline Model Works. I got Battlestar 777. I got Craig at the Mutt Modeler. I got Nuno at New My Paw. Y'all check his channel out. He's new. Check him out. Okay, you got Ray Doe, Vincent Weston, Models from the Dungeon. Toys and Models from the Past. Pete from Pete's Model Car Customs, I'm sorry. Worm Killer Dan. Russell Model Cars, everybody knows Russell too. Paul's Messy Bench Models, we all know Paul. We got Jason from Model Kit Stuff over there in England. We got Bob, and well, you know, of course, Pete's over in England too. Bob, which is his brother from Greyhound Models. Ron Stewart. Jeff, the Smoky Mountain Modeler. Kurt from KH Model Works. Old Tom, Rambler 69. And everybody knows Chris, Classic Plastic 101. Douglas Model Car Garage Video, sorry about that. Roy Tolly. Frank Frizzo's Model Cars, everybody knows Frank from Frizzo's Jeff's Model Car Garage, everybody knows Jeff. Jeff's the reason half of us has been discovered on here. If it wasn't for him. Eddie, Big Edster, Big Eddie 1231. Evan, the Nova guy, and he's got a lot of Novas, and he's got a lot of models. Let's see, Martin Dares, Dinky Restoration. Tell you what, old Martin, he's from England too, and I've been friends with this guy for a long time, and man, he is awesome. He does little dinky, corgi, Matchbox. I mean, he does rest, but he also dabbles in models too. And he is doing a little Heller Jaguar. We got Louis, the Autistic Modeler. He's one of them Arizona Mafia guys. Okay, we got Vix from Vix Miniatures. Old Victor. We got Deep Junk Garage. The other day I called him Deep State Garage. We got Craig, D Factory Rat. Everybody knows Craig. Seamus, see my BMW? That guy light everything, and I guarantee you he lights his model. He does. Jason Hanscom. We got Rick from Down the Throat Modeling. XCIA. Okay, we got Onyx Fierro. Scale Model Works. And that's his real name, Onyx. Skip from Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Let's see, and I think he put a video. I'll try to get to everybody's videos, guys. I get a little behind. This last weekend was my weekend to work, and I worked all weekend. My shift rotates and everything, so I get behind on videos and stuff, guys, and I'm trying to get this video out, so I'll get there. And then too, it was my birthday. Yay! Okay, and speaking of my birthday, me and old Justin from old Texas down there. It's me and him's birthday today too. Or yesterday, sorry, yesterday. We share the same birthday. Let's see. Where was I? Alright, number 36. Cliff. GI Mechanic Scale Modeling, my upstate New York buddy, and I will get up there this summer, and I will see you. I will. Rick Zink, number 37. We all know, everybody knows Rick Zink. 38, Monty Davis, 60. Everybody knows Monty. 39, Mark Batson. Everybody knows Mark Batson too. 40, here's one of the ringleaders from that Arizona Mafia, Luca C. 41, my home squat Skinnerd skillet, Doug Hensley. Number 42, Charlie Mack. Everybody knows Charlie Mack. 43, Paul's Model Workbench, Mike over there. 44, Arizona Mafia, Chuck's Hobby Spot. Everybody knows Chucky. 45, Scott Goebel. Sorry, brother. 46, McGo's Jobs. Yeah, I got it wrote down. I like I said, my redneck upbringing here. I don't know if I did that right. 47, Keefe's Models and RCs. One of our Irish buddies up there with old Seamus. Number 48, Mark Weldon. I think he's from over in England. Mark, comment and tell me if you're from over there. I really do think you're from over there too. Alright, 49, Heartbeat Model Shop. Old Rick. And Cletus. Sorry about that, Cletus too. Number 50, Model Car Minion. Steve, Canadian buddy. 51, Blue Streak Customs. Alright, number 52, the Scale Model Car Guy. Who the hell's that guy? I ain't never heard of him. Alright, number 53, I think it was Rob Atlas. BG, I couldn't hardly read your writing on that one. Number 54, and I think this is Paul Redmond, right? Like I said, BG, I don't know if I read your writing right or not. Y'all guys correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, number 55, Smoking Joe 311. 56, Tom Shirey. I hope that's right, guys. 57, 6T Rules. 58, another English brother of ours, Mr. Matchbox Monday, Al Wood. Number 60, Brandon Johnston. 61, Bella Model Cars. Number 62, Colonel Rev, Old Tom. Number 63, Dean Joan. I hope that's right too, because like I said, I was reading his handwriting. I don't know if that's going to be right or not. Y'all correct me. 64, David's Model Shop. 65, Glue Bomb King. 66, Max the Maltipo, something like that. Like I said, I couldn't hardly read this one, guys, and I'm sorry if I butcher your names. I really am. Number 67, Model Car Videos. And I do believe that's Matt. Alright, guys. Like I said, I'll snapshot this and leave it in the video here. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. It's still not too late to jump in. I know it's a short month for this, but hey, give it a try. And contact us if you want in there. That way we'll know that you're in there and we can get you on this list. Out.